How y'all doing? Well, good evening, everyone. Or whenever this will upload. Thanks for stopping by and tuning in as always. So, let's get on down. List of more aircraft is actually playing fine over here right now, part of Blue Line. But nonetheless, we're now taking a look at the Rotorway A600 Talon. The Rotorway A600 Talon is an American helicopter designed and produced by Rotorway International of Chandler, Arizona. The aircraft is supplied as a kit for amateur construction. A600 Talon. Again, it's a helicopter manufactured made by Rotorway International. Status in production since 2019, developed from Rotorway exec. By April 2017, the company seemed to have dropped the name Talon, referring to the aircraft just as the A600. The A600 Talon is a development of the Rotorway exec and externally resembles the earlier design. The A600 incorporates a different structure, a shaft-driven tail rotor, taller and longer landing skids, and a new in-house developed turbocharged power plant. The A600 features a single main rotor, a 2 seats in side-by-side configuration, enclosed cockpit with a windshield, skid-type landing gear, and a turbocharged 4-stroke 147 horsepower Rotorway RI600S engine that drives the 25 feet 7.6 meter diameter 2-bladed rotor and conventional 50.25 and 127.6 centimeters diameter 2-bladed tail rotor. The aircraft has an empty weight of 965 pounds and a gross weight of 1,500 pounds, giving a useful load of 535 pounds. With full fuel and 17 U.S. gallons, the payload is 433 pounds. The aircraft is capable of an in-ground effect hover at 6,000 feet and an out-of-ground effect hover at 4,000 feet. Now, this is all the design and development. Operational history. By February 2013, 7 examples have been registered in the United States with the FAA, 1 with the Civil Aviation Authority in the United Kingdom, and 1 with Transport Canada. Specifications, general characteristics: 1 crew member aboard, capacity 1 passenger, length 29 feet 6 inches overall with main rotor fore and aft, height 8 foot 7 inches, empty weight 965 pounds, gross weight 1,500 pounds. Fuel capacity 17 U.S. gallons. Power plant 1 at Rotorway RI600S 4-stroke aircraft engine, 147 horsepower. Main rotor diameter 25 feet 7.6 meters. Performance stats: maximum speed 115 miles an hour, cruise speed 100 miles an hour, endurance 2.0 hours, so 2 hours. Service ceiling as high as 10,000 feet in the air. Rate of climb is only 1,000 feet a minute, 5.1 meters a second. Okay. Let's see, also, these are the other helicopter brands I'll cover in another video, and perhaps one by one. And there you have it. That's your overview of the Rotorway A600 Talon helicopter, or nowadays called a turbo helicopter. And this is to a experimental model. And yep, so from my channel to your channel, salute. Gulfstream Entertainment, Michael Carter Studios and Production. Oh yeah, if you enjoy my channel and video, check out these channels and videos.